Okay, so today we'll be looking at the V75 um trend, the market for today, 11th of May 2022. So this trade is occurring at around 9:43 if I'm okay. So you can see the double top pattern forming here, so you can go back to verify 9:43 if I'm not mistaken, 5 minutes time frame on the 11th of May 2022. So we can see the double top pattern forming here. Okay, double top pattern forming here, and from what we know as traders, once we see the top, the double top, we know that the trade tends to go down. You just look for sales, so it's going to go down to retest a certain level before going back up. Okay, so as we've seen the mini double top, all we need to look for is just the sales entry. Okay, so I'm just taking my time to type out in case that you cannot hear me or you just want to read, so that everything can also be outlined and you can see what's going on in the chart. Okay, so let's just watch and see what's going to happen in the trade. Alright, so now we've drawn our arrow down. That indicates a downtrend, okay, to a certain point that I'm going to also indicate right there, so that you can all see where it's going to end before reversing back. It may or may not reach that particular point, but it's going to come close at least before it reverses. Okay, so I'm just going to change that to the red rectangle that you can see there. Okay, so that's going to be your take profit level. Okay, so whenever, if the trade reaches there, fine, we take our profit. If it doesn't, then and start reversing, then we also take our profit. So that's why it's good to always stay on the chart, especially in volatility. You can hear the name, it's volatile. It's volatile. So you need to stay on the trade, you need to stay on the chart, because there is no lord here, there is no master, there is no it must get to this particular point. And so it's always good to stay on the chart so that you can see what's going on. If it reaches your point, you take your profit and go. If it doesn't and it start reversing, you also take your profit and go, so that you don't lose out. You don't lose out completely on the trade. So you can see the down trend line shows us where our sell is, and then this red rectangle shows us where our take profit is. All right, okay, so you can all see I'm going to leave all these writings, all this text here, so that you can all see and reference to it. Okay, so I've told you the day and the time at which this trade occurred, so that you can also go and do your background check and check if I am lying or not. Okay, so I'll soon also enter this trade so that you will see if it goes in our favor or not. So I'm just doing all this writing and analysis. I would have entered my trade long ago, but I'm just doing the analysis so that you can all see. I'll soon get into the trade. I don't want this video to be so long, so Then also enter the trade so that we can all see what happens. Okay, so just watch as it plays out. So I'm entering the trade now. I'm going to enter the trade now. So I'm just going to open 2 positions and hold them, and I'm using the lowest lot size, which is 0.0001. okay, 0.0001 of V75. okay, because I have a small account. When you have a small account, you always want to use the smallest lot size so that you don't blow your account. That's the problem. You have to remove greed. People that normally blow their account, you have to remove greed from your trading. You can't make all the profits in one trade. Don't do that. It's not wise. Okay, if it goes in your favor, you might be saying that, wow, I wish. It's better you are just saying you wish and still have your money intact than you did and nothing. Then you didn't obey the rules, simple rules. If you have a small account, use a small lot size, and then you blow the account. You cannot wish now. Only what you wish for is you wish that you didn't enter the trade and your money is gone. Okay, nobody's going to refund you. So it's better you take the small profit of even $5 and leave the trade than wanting to have more and blow your account. Okay, so you can see I've entered 2 trades already. It might seem that it's going against me, but let us watch and see. Okay, I told you I don't want this video to be so long. I'm just going to show you because I have something I need to also attend to. So I'm just going to show you when it starts coming down, and maybe have a screenshot of when it gets to where we expect it to get to. I'll soon exit the trade also. So let's just watch out and see what happens. So I'm sure we can all read what is going on here. So here at Forex Hub, we also do account management in case you are interested. Okay, here we don't go for all the big, let's make all the profit in one day. No, we only enter quality trade. Okay, can be a quality trade. Maybe the quality trade can only appear once, so you have to be contented with the little profit that we make. Okay, if you want to make big profit, because we have a sharing formula. If you want to be so greedy and just blow your account, it's your money that is gone, not mine. Okay, so we also have a contract form that you need to sign, because you have to really be contented. Even if you make 10% of your money of your account that day, you have to be contented with it. You don't expect us to make 100% in a day. We only enter quality trade. Okay, so please, let's have that in our mind before you contact me. Okay, 10% of $100, I think, is in $10. So $10 in a day is fair. That's the lowest. Actually, I'm just using it as example. At least it's a fair trade. $100 without you having to worry that your account will be blown. I think it's very good. Okay, so now we can see that the trade is actually going in our favor. The trade is going in our favor. The trade is going in our favor, and I'll soon exit the trade because my attention is urgently needed. So let's just watch. I think I have 2-3 minutes to spend here, and then I'll be off this trade. I wish I could stay longer to get more profit, but I can't leave a position open. That's my policy. I don't leave a position open and go about my business, because you never can know what will happen. This is volatility. It is volatile. It can move up and down. Before you know it, you're out. The money is gone. So I'm staying on this trade 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm off it. Alright, so you can see it's pure price action with trend. That is how to trade. That is how to trade. That is how we trade here on Forex Hub. That is how we trade here on Forex Hub. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Stay glued to this channel for more content. If you keep watching my videos and you subscribe and invite others, I'll be happy to do more analysis for you. Okay, for those that want to learn, I'll be happy to do more analysis for you. I've made many mistakes in trading that I actually know what to do that will be right for my trading. Okay, so because I've also fallen victim to some scammer account management people. I won't mention their name here, but you could actually find you can actually find the video on my channel there. Okay, now so I'm dedicating my time to trading myself and developing myself. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it for this trade. I'm exiting this trade. I'm just going to show a screenshot of how it ended. Okay, so you can see the screenshots of how the trade, it almost reached our take profit level, and then I already left the trade. You can see no open positions there anymore. So see you in my next video. Subscribe, contact me if you need anything. Thank you and stay blessed.